think you're taking too many of them. You think wrong and you don't think my medical history.
You gonna cuss her out while she's getting your cigarettes?
John, can you open this? I'm so upset. I can't. I was looking at the not on anything else.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. Can't hardly understand the words you're saying.
And where's your lighter? You had your lighter.
You gonna stick in her mouth for her?
No, I'm going out of here.
Oh,
I don't know where her lighter is, and I'm sick and tired of her yakking like she's a big baby.
She's a big shot. There you go. Where's your Coke? There you go. There's your smoke. There's it. I put it in her hand.
Did you get her lighter?
So you want me to smoke it for her too?